Hi everyone, my name is Luke Gerlach and I'm super excited to announce that I've partnered with InThinking. They're an official provider of IB workshops and they also offer a variety of other supports to us as IB educators. If you're a PYP teacher and you're like, who's InThinking? I've never heard of them. You're not alone. There's a lot of people who don't know because historically they have run supporting virtual think-ins as well as subject sites for DP, CP, and MYP. And now they're gonna go into the lane of the PYP with me, and I'm super excited. And what does this mean? Well, there's the traditional IB workshops, which amazing that they provide. I've had a chance to actually work with them in their workshop realm, and it's amazing. They have a great group of workshop leaders here in Europe. But what if you can't go to Europe because you live in Africa? Well, they have virtual think-ins. Think-ins are short, sharp, and specific professional development opportunities, and they come in three forms. One is the Focus On series, and this is going to be like your teaching practice about, hey, how do I become more agentic or incorporate more agency into my practice? What is inquiry and how do I make it happen? And we'll go into 2 or 3 things to consider and some specific strategies you can implement right away into your practice. Then there's Key to Success. These ones are focused on assessment practice. How do we then look at assessment within the PYP? What does that look like? And how do we assess all of this kind of subjective learning? And then there are the crash courses. So there's going to be an upcoming PYP crash course. Watch for the next video for what that means and what's that going to look like. But a crash course really is 2 days over 6 hours of going over the nuts and bolts of what you need to know to be successful within the PYP in the first half of the year. So I hope you'll join me on this new adventure. I really think that InThinking provides something unique, and I hope you find it too. And what's really nice is that they're affordable and they're timely. Many of you, depending on your time zone, can easily participate after school or before. So hope to see you there, and more details to come.